Before the contest, Senator Aline Dume had nominated Akpabio, while Senator Abu nominated Senator Yari. However, Senator Yari's nomination did not go down well with Senator Tahi Mongunu, who noted that Yari's nomination was unconstitutional. Mongunu's stance, however, led to a rowdy section before the clerk of the National Assembly ruled the Borno lawmaker out of order, saying he would only rely on Order 3 of the Senate Standing Rules to elect the President of the Senate. After the election, Senator Akpabio was declared winner by the National Assembly clerk Sani Tambuwa. Akpabio got 63 votes, while Yari had 45, with one person abstaining from voting.
Godswill Akpabio, who has received the highest number of votes, is hereby declared and returned President of the Senate.
Presenting his inaugural speech, President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, promised an all-inclusive legislature irrespective of party affiliation, while calling for cooperation from the lawmakers in achieving dividends of democracy for the people.
The current administration has brought about the acronym of Renewed Hope, and I think this Senate will join in ensuring a total renewal hope for Nigerians.
Reacting to the outcome of the proceedings after the inauguration section, Deputy Governor of Edo State, Comrade Philip Shuaibu, expressed confidence in the outcome of the inauguration proceedings. Senator representing Edo South Senatorial District, Barrister Neda Imasue, and some other lawmakers called for a collaborative participation by all the lawmakers in achieving the desired goals of the 10th Senate.
What is key and critical is that when like minds gather, obviously influence is always there, and democracy is, parliamentary democracy is all about lobby.
It's not a representation of only two parties, but more than two parties, about 7 parties are represented here. It's going to call for a robust assembly.
You could see a government-backed candidate won with just 17. That shows you we are growing.
From the National Assembly complex, I'm Chuka Unhai, reporting for ITV News.